Everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. This is Monica, and today I'm going to show you about the data types in Python. So Python having a multiple data types and multiple data types having a various kind of a role and responsibility in Python. So if you are not a beginner and you have been gone through a very various coding like a Java, JavaScript or PHP or any other languages like there were different data types in Python and Python programming having a various kind of a data types and having a different role and responsibility. So let's continue with that. So first we have a text type of data type which is called string. String means to say if we'll put the hello word there, so this will come into the string part. Okay, I will tell you how you can find the what kind of a data type which is. So I will show you that even. Then second one is the types. Numeric types having a int, float, complex. Let's talk about the sequence types. So list, tuple, range comes into the sequence types. Then again is the mapping type where comes the dictionary. The abbreviation of dictionary is dict. Set type, set and frozen set. Boolean type bool, where we true and false we do. Binary types like bytes and byte array or memory view, and non type is non type. File here which we'll call out as a data. So here I am. Okay, so firstly I will create a variable which will be the common variable like a 10, or another variable I will create is a -5, or the another variable I will create as a 10.5. Okay, this is just a basic program and where I'm going to show you how you can find it, which kind of data type it is. So let me show you like X. Okay, here I can also do one thing. I create a plus y and plus z as well. Basically for now. Let's do the copy here. Now I'm going to go data type dot y dot. So the why having the issue? Okay, because I have used the okay, capital letter. Okay, so it's a very clear surface, so we need to be very careful about the naming convention as well. Okay, so now you can see here in my screen there is in. Okay, I'll try to make cursor over it. Okay, so as you can see there is int and float. So my first value which is comes into the int, the second value is also comes into the int, but the third value which is comes with the floating value. Okay, I'll go with the minus again. Okay, now what I'm going to do is okay, a name equals to hello world. Okay, I can do one thing here. What I do, I will do the print and type, and then I will do and now I will take it out. So it says string here. Okay, so that's how you can find out what kind of which one is which type of data type. Let's move on the some bigger amount of data, because so far we were doing just basic, but let's move on to the advanced one. So for that purpose I'm just going to okay, just keep it this one height, and I'm going to add more and more, and then you need to be quick. Now I'm going to do int. Here I'm declaring the value. before I was not declaring the value, only there was a value variable, and inside of the variable there was a value has been assigned, and then I found out which kind of data type it is. Now we have been declaring the data type here clearly. So let's y close equals to 20.5 we can put here, and the another one is chat and complex. You want to complex here 2 plus 3. Okay, so this kind of a data call out as a complex. Now I'm going to print it out. Okay, we'll do print, and okay, this is the integer, and then I will do comma and then x in. Okay, so again I will do print and then again another value is float, and then we'll do the same thing here, and here will be y and float. Okay, the another will be again print, and will be the complex. Okay, and here we go. Okay, here we go y and chat. Sorry, complex. Okay, now we're going to see what okay, so we having here, let me do a bit of bigger. So as you can see, the first one integer which having a 10. So what we have done, x and int, also it's clearly showing the, okay, I'll just do the back here again so that it will be very clear. So firstly we have put in here x int 10, x float 20.5, and chat complex 2 plus 3, and z. Now the output which we have got here, the output is here, integer is 10. Okay, which was the which was we have been assigned earlier. Float is 20.5, and the complex is 2 plus 3z. Okay, so I have shown you two different kinds of how you can find out what type of data type it is, and there is another way also you can do it. Okay, this is the another way you can do it. Now this was the numeric data type. Okay, this was a numeric data type, so I will put here numeric, right. For then now what we're going to do is we're going to do the sequence types. Inside of sequence types, what kind of a data comes? So we'll come here again, and then we'll put hello world, which we have been put in here earlier, but we have to remove this because this is not comes into the numeric one. Okay, so here is the one, and the second one is first was 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, then next one is 51 equals to, what we're going to do is here 6 7 8 9 10, or whatever value you want to put, you can put it here. 45 or we can put here. Another is a range. Okay, you can put any kind of one in here, or range, and range is s. Okay, so range is s here. Let's go and print it out. Now what would be our output? Okay, string we put in here. Why we put in here string? Because first one is a string value, as I have been shown you earlier. The second one is print here, print like list. It's a list type of data type. So list list, and then I will do this and that, and now cp1. Okay, now next is list having post. Okay, so what we have to do is st, and then we have to go with the print again, and here we'll do again with the same tuple, tuple, and then pp first. Okay, and the last but not a least, that is print, and range. Okay. All these are the data types. Do not then be confused over them. List, and then okay. Let's check out data and RNG. Okay. So let's check out the what would be the output here. So range S having here an error. So S is hello, and hello world. Okay. So let's continue with that now. What is the world? Okay, again having a issue with the ring or the RNG, and okay, ring, that's we having an array with the line. So let's read the array error again. So string object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Okay, so what we have done here, range list. Okay, check it out now. String having an error again. Because we have done something wrong here. We need to be taking care of capital letter and small letter as well. Object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Then plus okay, so we having a list here, but list okay, and equals to range. So if one here list or in we do again no again okay, so for we just remove this one simply, and let's try to run this one out. Okay, so we having list and tuple here completely. String hello world is string, list is here, and the tuple is here. So these are very common for the sequence types. Okay, so for the range one, I'm going to tell you. Okay, so for the range one, we'll do the simply here display. Is equals to range, and here we'll put the 6 or 1 2 3 4 4 5 kind of, you can put it here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do print RNG. This is for the range basically. Again we're getting error here remote set part. Okay, In the range, we're going to put only this value. Let's see if it's what 6 and range is 6. Range see if it is hard. Okay, so here the range is work now. We have to put the combined value, okay, for the range. Actually, when we putting the such kind of a value like 1 or 2 or like that, so this value not to be passed in the range. So for that purpose, we need to put the combined ranging. So that's why it's showing the it was showing the error. Okay. Now let's move on the next one. Now the next one is all about the mapping. Okay, mapping, right? So in the mapping type, what we're going to do is dictionary. Dic. We're not going to put the dictionary. Okay. So inside of the dict, we're going to put some kind of a value like name of the person, and like Monica, and then we're going to age. Okay, and age will be 24 here. Sorry, here the age will be not come into the comma. Then we're going to put the CP here, and then the put and New YR. Okay, New York. Okay, so this is done. Now what we're going to do is print, and then we're going to do DRCTOMARY dictionary. Always try to put all the data types in the capital letter because it's a case sensitive dictionary. Okay, so we have to be taking care of the spelling mistakes as well. So dictionary having an error, a basic error. Let's check it out. What error it's talking about? Indentation error, unexpected indent. Okay. So we have a name. Okay. Then we have an age. Okay. 22. And then we have a city. New York. Okay. That's completely fine. Then we're going to print dictionary, and then it's not must be from, but let's check it out. Name. Okay, it will be all the same. Let's change the name. DICT. Okay. Let's change the name DICT. DICT. Okay. DICT we have done here. Okay, name is like orange and the frame dictionary. Check it out if it's correct. No, unexpected error line 30. Frame dictionary. We put here let's continue with that again. Okay, first we're having double inverted comma, and name we're having a name and okay, then we're going to put the age, and the age will be okay. What exactly we are done? Okay, yeah, that's fine, but okay, we need to print. I own our dictionary. Yeah, okay. So here we having a output that is name Monica, age 24, city New York. Okay. So before we have done, I guess a bit mistake. So we just copy here and then we'll check it out what mistake we have done. Okay. No, we were doing this one. Okay. So print and dictionary we were doing here, and dictionary having the same one, but they having an error. Now again we're going to check it out. So again we're doing the same error. So we'll do comment this one. Okay. Now we come in here, print again. Again, dictionary, dictionary, and then colon, and then DRC3. Okay, so let's check it out. Input dic. We were having a Okay, let's continue with the next one then. Print city, UNARY. Okay, then another one will be DICT. Oh, it's working. Okay, it's working now. As you can see, our output is here. Let's move on the another data types, and another data types will be here, the mapping. Okay, inside of the mapping we have done another one is the set. Okay, so we having a set type now. Set equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay, so any kind of a value you can put it on. First, see what we're going to do. Frozen set, and then we're going to put 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so these are the type of the data types. Now we're going to print them. So first one we having a that is set, and let's see. Okay. Next one is a print, and again we have to put the FSP. Okay, and FSP we have done this one, and now we have the FSP. Okay, sorry, FSP. Okay, here we need to put the chosen set. Okay, FROZENSET, frozen set. Okay, let's check it out. So in the set we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 with the same place as the 0, which must become here again. Now what we're going to do is about I'm going to put 10 in starting and 1 in ending. Let's check it out what would be the out. Okay, So as you can see, the one which I put it last, but it come in at a first place, and the 10 which comes first place, sorry, which we put at a first place and come into the last place. Okay, so that's how this kind of magical data types do work in the Python. Let's move on to the okay. So this video is going to be a bit longer because all the data types I'm mentioning here. The second one is the Boolean. So what is the Boolean data type here? So is actually we do here. Okay, true. So another is logged in equals to false. Okay, so we just simply going to put the proving here how the Boolean type work here. So Boolean Boolean true. Okay, so why we putting Boolean true here? Let's check it out what the data comes exactly here. Then we're going to here and then is active. Okay. The next one is the print, and then again we're going to do the Boolean SALSC false. Okay, and then we're going to put here, and we're going to put is lock. Okay, so here let's put the letter first. Yeah, let's check it out. Okay, so the Boolean true is true and the Boolean false is false. Okay, so this value automatically came out. Now again we're going to do this magical type, and then we're going to put is locked in. Let's check out what is. Okay, so here the type name comes with a bull. Okay, let's do another experiment here, and I'm going to do the part type here, and is okay. Let's check it out what type of data type it is. Okay, so it's come in the Boolean. So now it's completely proving here what type of data type it is. Boolean. Okay, so we have done so far what type of data types, what kind of a data types. First one, Boolean data types we have done, set types we have done, mapping types we have done, sequence types we have done here, and numeric types we have done here. Now we going to last but not the least, and that is non-type. What is non-type in Python? So non-type, we come here, VALUE, value equals to none, print none, VALUE. Okay, so here it's showing the key, it means there is something unusual, and now let's check it out. Okay, so again I'm going to put the same, and it's showing me the none. So this is the none value. Now we're going to put another experiment here, and that is type VA value. Okay. So let's check it out. Type non-type. Okay, so these were the data types that we have learned so far. So today, in today's tutorial, what we have covered so far: numeric types, where I have shown you int, float, and complex. Then we have done the sequence types. In the sequence types we have covered the string, list, tuple, and range. Then another one is the mapping types. Inside of the mapping types we have done dictionary and the set types. Then inside of the set type we have done the set and frozen set. Then again we have done the Boolean type. Inside of the Boolean types we have come to know about the true and false values, how to find it. And the last but not least, that is the non-type. Inside of the non-type we have to find out the value, either that value is a non. So that's it for the day, guys, and in my another coming tutorial I will share you the functions of the Python, so don't forget to watch that one again. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.